Hello children, welcome to your maths class. Now the chapter which we have already started is addition, and the topic which we are going to learn today is adding three two-digit numbers without regrouping. So here you can see in all the questions how many numbers I've taken for addition. Yes, 3. And what type of numbers we are adding here? Two-digit numbers. So what are two-digit numbers? The numbers which have the place values, that is ones and tens. They are called two-digit numbers. Now without regrouping. Regrouping means to form new groups. So whenever you add and you get a two-digit number, in that case you have to do regrouping. But right now we are not doing regrouping. We will add without regrouping. So later in this chapter only you will be learning that how you can add with regrouping. So this much is enough for you to know. अब हम अपने एडिशन स्टार्ट करेंगे. So before we start, you have to always keep in mind that first you will be adding the digits given at ones place. So first question, the digits at first ones place are 2, 0 and 1. Now for addition, first find out the bigger number. The bigger number here is, what's the bigger number? Yes, it is 2. Now we will be adding the next bigger number in this number, that is 2. So between 0 and 1, which is the bigger one? Yes, it is 1. So keep 2 in mind and add one time on your finger. So 2 and 3. So 2 plus 1 is 3. Now the next digit is 0. So now you have to add 3, 0 with this 3. So you know very well that any number added with 0, what you get? You get the same number again. So what comes after adding all the digits at ones place? It comes 3. Now we'll see the digits at tens place, and the digits are 1, 3 and 1 again. So which is the bigger number between 3 and 1? Yes, it is 3. So keep 3 in mind, and now next bigger number you don't have to find out because now both the digits are 1 only. So keep 3 in mind and count one time, that is 3. Count after 3, that is 4. So 4. Now the next number left is 1. So keep 4 in your mind and count one more time. So 4. Now count one more time, that is 5. So what you get? Yes, it is 5. So the total which you get after addition is, yes, 53. Or you can say you have got the sum. The total also means sum. Now come to second question. Now again we will follow the same method. Digit at ones place are 0, 2 and 1. Bigger number obviously is 2. So keep 2 in mind, and again next bigger number is 1. So count one time on your finger, that is 2, and what comes after 2? 3. So now the number left is 0. Again when you add 0 in 3, what you get? Yes, 3 again. Now see the digits given at tens place. Now here all the digits you can see are same. So first, that is 3. So first we will add 2 digits and then we will proceed to the third digit. So first 2 digits first digit is 3. Keep 3 in mind and count 3 times on your finger. So count after 3, 4, 5 and 6. So after adding 3 and 3, what you get? Yes, 6. Now the answer which we have got after adding 2 digits, that is 6. Now we are going to add the next or the last digit with this 6. So the next digit is again 3. So keep 6 in your mind and count again 3 times on your finger after 6. That is 7, 8 and 9. Now what you get? Yes, 9. And what is the sum? What is the total? Yes, it is 93. Sum you know very well. The answer which you get after addition, that is called sum or total. Now come to third question. Again the digit at ones place are 3, 1 and 2. Bigger number? Yes, it is 3. So bigger number is 3 and the next bigger number is, yes, it is 2. So now keep 3 in your mind and count 2 times on your finger after 3. So 4 and 5. So what you get after adding 3 and 2? Yes, 5. Now the digit left is 1. So we will be adding this 1 with the answer you have got after adding 3 and 2. That is 5. Keep 5 in your mind and count 1 time on your finger after 5. So count 1 time. What comes after 5? Yes, 6. So 5 plus, 5 when it is added with 1, what you get? Yes, you get 6. Now the digits at tens place are 2, 1 and 4. Again the bigger number is 4 and the next bigger number is 2. So keep 4 in your mind and count 2 times after 4. So 5 and 6. So after adding 4 and 2, what you get? 6. Now the digit left is 1. So keep 6 in your mind and count 1 times after 6. So what you get? Yes, 7. So now what you have got? 7. So now your sum is 76. Now same way we will be doing our last question, that is fourth one. So digits at ones place are 5, 2 and 0. Now here, which is the bigger number? Yes, 5. And the next bigger number is, yes, 2. So we will add 5 and 2. So keep the bigger number in your mind, that is 5, and count 2 times on your finger. So count along with me, 6 and 7. So what you get after adding 5 and 2? Yes, it is 7. Now the next and the last digit is 0. So now you have to add 0 with the 7. So again you know, आपको पता है कोई भी नंबर जब हम ज़ीरो में ऐड करते हैं तो हमें वो नंबर सेम नंबर फिर से मिलता है. So 7 when it is added with 0, what you get? You get 7 again. So 7. Now the digits at tens place are 2, 1 and 5. Again the bigger number is 5. So the next bigger number is 2. 5, count 2 times on your fingers, 6 and 7. Now the digit left is 1. So keep 7 in your mind and count one more time after 7. That is 8. So the number which you get after adding all the digits given at tens place is 8. अब हमारा सम है 87. So children, I hope you have understood the method of addition, of adding 3 two-digit numbers, and I hope you have learned the method. So this way only you have to add the 3 two-digit numbers given in the question. So आई होप कि आपको बहुत अच्छे से क्लियर हो गया है कि आपको कैसे ये सम फाइंड आउट करना है, कैसे ये एडिशन करनी है. और you can always take some more numbers for practice, and thank you.